High above the ground, tower crane operators face one of the most challenging jobs in construction. Balancing precision, efficiency, and safety has always been a complex task. Aiming to bring changes to the industry, Hing, in partnership with tower crane professionals, developed the Distant Tower Crane Command System, featuring advanced IoT sensors, AI recognition, and a LiDAR-assisted smart navigation system. From the comfort of a ground-level control cabin, operators can now manage complex lifting tasks with unprecedented accuracy and safety. This is more than a crane, it's the future of construction. The system features multiple HD cameras and a low-latency network control, enabling seamless operation and precise adjustments with ease. Safety is enhanced through a smart tower crane anti-collision system and an AI-powered danger zone detection system. Using advanced algorithms, the system identifies unauthorized workers in the lifting zone and provides real-time alerts. Real-time data, including load weight, wind speed, and boom position, is displayed on an intuitive control panel. With cutting-edge LiDAR technology, the smart navigation system analyzes the tower crane's surroundings, detecting obstacles in real time, and automatically plotting the safest yet most efficient lifting path. The system also supports integration with third-party smart devices, such as the lifting wire health monitoring sensor recently adopted for the tower crane. The Distant Tower Crane Command System has successfully passed trials and is now actively deployed on construction sites. The MIC ground control cabin is designed for easy transportation and quick repositioning, offering maximum flexibility. The first-generation system has already achieved over 1,000 operational hours. This second-generation system builds on that success, integrating advanced features to ensure safer, smarter, and more efficient construction operations, paving the way for the future of construction technology.